Are you looking for the best thermal imagers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best thermal imagers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TOPDON TC004 Mini Thermal Imaging Camera. The TOPDON TC004 thermal camera offers clear and detailed thermal images thanks to its enhanced resolution, making it easier for you to inspect homes, electrical systems, or machinery with accuracy. It covers a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, automatically highlighting the hottest and coldest spots to help you quickly identify issues. You can choose from 5 color palettes to suit your preference and work environment. The camera also includes smart alerts that notify you instantly when temperatures go beyond set limits, capturing photos automatically or manually for thorough problem documentation. Plus, with a long 15-hour battery life and automatic shut-off options, you can work longer without interruptions. What we like: high-resolution thermal imaging, easy-to-use controls, portable and lightweight design, long battery life, versatile applications. What we don't like: long power button hold to start, no video recording feature. Number 2. TOPDON TC001 Thermal Camera for Android. The TOPDON TC001 thermal camera for Android offers high resolution and low consumption with 256 by 192 IR resolution and only 0.35 W consumption. It features precise temperature detection with enhanced testing range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit and 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, along with image enhancement technology for clearer and detailed field of view. With dimensions in 9 color palettes, the TC001 is adaptable and portable with compact size and anti-dust EVA bag. The thermal imager is perfect for temperature monitoring with Android phones and tablets that support OTG functions. What we like: easy to use, high image resolution, affordable price, portable and compact, versatile applications. What we don't like: occasional software quirks, minor image vignette. Number 3. HSFTOOLS HF96 Thermal Camera. The HSFTOOLS HF96 camera is a highly advanced thermal imaging device that enhances your inspection capabilities. With live super resolution, it boosts image clarity from 96 by 96 to 240 by 240 in real time, allowing you to see finer details. Its accurate temperature measurement feature detects small temperature differences, ensuring reliability in your readings. Fast anomaly recognition helps you quickly identify temperature changes, while the built-in laser pointer makes it easy to locate objects in dimly lit areas. Together, these features provide a user-friendly experience that improves the accuracy and efficiency of thermal inspections. What we like: affordable price, easy to use, clear large screen, accurate thermal imaging, responsive customer service. What we don't like: proprietary USB cable required, open box replacement possible. Number 4. VANTRUE Power TS1 Thermal Camera. The VANTRUE TS1 thermal camera offers clear and detailed thermal images by enhancing its base resolution to a sharp 512 by 384, helping you spot issues easily during home inspections or HVAC work. It measures temperatures accurately from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can trust it to detect heat loss or overheating with precision. You can choose different detection modes like point or surface and pick from 12 color palettes to better see temperature differences in various environments. Its compact size and low power use make it easy to carry and use with your Android phone or Windows tablet, perfect for on-the-go tasks without worrying about battery drain. What we like: sharp thermal imaging, real-time temperature detection, user-friendly mobile app, compact and portable, excellent value for price. What we don't like: app-dependent operation, limited advanced features. Number 5. TOPDON TC002C Duo-Thermal Camera. The TOPDON TC002C thermal camera works with almost any USB-C smartphone or tablet, making it easy for you to use with your latest device. It offers improved image clarity with its enhanced thermal resolution, so you can see more detailed heat patterns clearly and in real time. The camera measures a wide temperature range from very cold to extremely hot, helping you monitor various environments accurately. Plus, it lets you capture photos and videos of temperature changes, which is great for documenting your inspections or repairs. This makes the device a handy tool for professionals and home users alike. What we like: easy app setup, clear thermal images, accurate temperature readings, compact and portable, multi-device compatibility. What we don't like: not professional grade, TISR effect minimal.